Hi, it's Patrick here, of course, the Dominican Life and LasTerrenasLife.com. Look, if you've never been to the Dominican, or if you have been to the Dominican, and you have not experienced a barbershop real experience, you're missing out on a great experience. I come twice a week, just for fun. So come on in, enjoy, and watch what goes on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment. But do yourself a favor. Go to the barbershop when you're here. For $200 or $300 pesos, so $4 or $5, you're gonna have a fresh shave and look like $1 million or pesos, your choice. See you later. I'm Patrick Johnston.